Alright, today we're going to take a look at the featured Lightroom preset and profile inspired by the Portra 160 film. Let's get to it. Here we have all of our presets, and here we have all of our profiles in the creative flow. So we're going to go down to the film emulation portion and look for the Kodak inspired presets. Open that up, and you'll notice we have Portra, Portra 160, Portra 400. We're looking for the Portra 160 inspired presets. Let's start right off the top. There we go, really beautiful. And there's different variations. There's a nice film fade effect. And we're probably going to go with this one here. And you'll notice when we give that a click, you get an adjustable preset. And you get this profile currently at 0. So you could technically use the profile on its own. Let's say you set up your base settings. You could just bring in the profile and then find that perfect balance for color and contrast. Let's go back to the 160, click it again, adjust the preset that way. Take a quick look side by side. And we could even combo it up. So I'm going to dial back the preset, bring in that preset at 70. Now I kind of like that film fade effect. So we can go back into our profiles and we're going to introduce the Portra film. So there it's adding that Portra 160 film, and then we can dial it back. There's 0, and then we get that beautiful film fade effect. So I'm going to go right at 60. So it's comboing the preset and profile. But to be honest, I really like the Portra 160 here. And just dialing it up maybe to 120. Very beautiful colors, nice grain. Here's a side by side. Really stunning preset and profile. Alright, if you want to check out the Creative Flow Complete Collection by Preset Pro, I'll put a link down below. It has over 1,200 Lightroom presets and 1,200 Lightroom profiles, where you can mix and match presets and profiles and come up with all kinds of different looks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.